Hello viewers, today we are going to talk about Jain Irrigation Company. It has a market cap of around 500 crore rupees and it is a penny stock with 10 rupees price per share. The company was making headlines recently due to its huge debt of 6,092 crore rupees in 2020 versus 5,247 crore rupees debt in 2019. Now just imagine buying a company for 500 crore rupees and paying 6092 crore rupees debt on it. It is like buying a house for 50 lakh rupees and still 609 lakh as extra debt on it. The company is stuck deep in its debt, for which the company had also passed a resolution which is under progress. The reason I am making this video is the potential of this company. Jain Irrigation is number 1 in micro irrigation India. It is number 1 in plastic manufacturing, number 1 in mango processing globally. It is also number 1 in tissue culture production of banana and pomegranate, number 2 in global micro irrigation, and number 3 in onion and vegetable dehydration at global level. With all these positive things, the company is still struggling to stay alive. They have a dam constructed for themselves, huge reach and Indian and global levels, acres of land all over the world, but still a struggler. Why? The answer is poor management. From 2008 till 2020, the company has been piling up debt. The operating margins of the company are decreasing everywhere, and recently it reported a net loss of 715 crore rupees. You might have seen people who enjoy a lavish lifestyle, who own huge mansions, own private jets, own expensive cars, and all this on borrowed money. Such is the case with Jain Irrigation. All that they have is standing on the pillars of debt. But now the bankers have had enough and are asking for loan repayment. The company was also declared as NPA by a renowned bank. And now is the time of awakening. If the management doesn't take the action now, then the investors are doomed. Also, recent pandemic has affected the company's business greatly. You see, the company has its revenue from 4 sources. First, high-tech agri inputs, whose revenue was down by 30.2%. Plastic, its revenue was down by 46.9%. Third, in agro, whose revenue was down by 1%, and others down by 27.5%. The problem with this company is that they have over-diversified. They are trying to get everywhere, which is causing them the trouble. Jain Irrigation, its biggest loss-making division, is high-tech agri inputs and plastic business, whereas its agro division is its recent business, started with the name of Jain Farm Fresh. Now, if somehow company tries to improvise its loss-making divisions, or if it sells them, then a major chunk of that could be used to repay the debt. The mismanagement of the company can also be seen in its transactions. In year 2020, the trade receivables of the company stood at 2,815 crore rupees. This implies that they are making sales on trust and on credit, which is not a good idea if the amount is so huge. The company has also participated in the Amrut City project, which is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Perhaps this project could be of some help to them. After completion of every financial year, the company spices things up by showing its huge order book. The company right now has an order book of total 4,270 crore rupees, which is 8 to 9 times than its market capital. But this is a tactic used by this company to boost investor confidence and lure them into its baseless plans. Only thing that makes me positive about this company is its agro business, which had an export of 66 crore rupees in Q4 FY20. But the agro business is at so small level that it is not worth paying 500 crore rupees to buy that company. My opinion would be to avoid this company as long as there is no clear move by the management to repay its debt. The company is too big to fail, but it is still failing. We had seen Videocon Industries in the past, which once had a book value of 108 rupees per share, and the stock was trading only at 12 rupees. Similar is Jain Irrigation, whose stock price is now 10 and book value at 85. I would suggest not to get trapped in this trap of high book value and low stock price. The price of an asset is different on paper and different in reality. When a new car comes out of the showroom, then its price drops by 30%. So the asset's price according to accounting standards are different and reality is different. Concluding it all, Jain Irrigation has had a great business, but it is unlucky to have a management like this. I would say avoid this stock for the time being and look out for better opportunities. Lastly, this video is for education and research purpose only and does not intend to advise you stock tips or investment tips. Your money is your responsibility. Learn how to manage it. Thank you for watching.